Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. So I'm going to show you some ways to include your legs with your clubs, whether you're using lightweight Indian clubs or Clubbells, or I brought out a single heavier wooden club with me today, and I also got my staff. So I'll just show you a few moves that you can do where you're incorporating more of your whole body. Now the easiest way to get started, of course, is with a simple movement. So if we come up with our arms behind, our clubs behind our shoulders, we'll just take a step back, lunge, and the clubs go out into your basic iron cross. Now, you could also do what? You could do something like a salute. So you're just adding that posterior lunge to the process. Now, what else could you do? How about a dragon lunge? So we could come up, we'll just keep using the salute. So we're here and we step across and back. Now, there is timing involved, because if you come down too soon or you weren't far enough in front, you could hit yourself. So don't do that. You want to always take good care of your body, not damage it, because it interferes with being able to play. So, and of course, if you've done the front dragon lunge, you can also do what? The back. Now let's assume that you're not comfortable doing these moves while swinging the clubs. You can do it in a very kind of stationary club way. So just come up and back and forth. So you're not coming anywhere near your legs, and you can get familiar with moving with clubs involving legs more. So I just showed you a posterior lunge. Of course, you could do it forward, and I showed you front and back dragon lunges with your clubs. So if we take a look at a heavier club, we can do exactly those same movements. So keep in mind that there are many movements that you can do with your legs while using your equipment. So for example, we could do a shield cast to a lunge. You could do a backhand shift then, opposite side, and do it the opposite way. Now you notice that right now I've got my left hand, so I'm going to step forward with my right leg. So I've got a cross crawl motion, hand shift back. Now, I could do two and just do the opposite leg. So I can do any way I want to do it. Remember, you're in charge of your game. Just do a little lateral, or not lateral, but diagonal, lateral. So, dragon lunge. So what I hope you're seeing is that there are many, many, many leg moves that you can do in a very short or small space with your club bell, your mace, or your staff. So we'll go on to the staff. A move that I like is to just take a forward lunge and stay in that position, and then bend forward and back up. you can make it a little bit more interesting when you come up. Lean back. Lean back. Okay, make sure you do it on both legs. So I'll show you a little variation. You can do your lean back and pump it a few times. Then lean back, lean forward, pump, lean back, forward. Now you can come out and around, out and around. So you can see all of the movements that I show you with a staff just done stationary can be done with movement. So we can do something like this. We can do something with the back. Step forward. So you can see there are many, many, many leg moves that you can do with your equipment that will make your movements, your Primal Nature plays or workouts, whatever you call it, will make them so much more interesting and so much more whole body. Go for it.